Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. My name is Damaris Valdes Lopez. Next, I will show you the presentation of the festival held Paipa, Boyacá. So, okay. A colorful event held every year, generating spaces for integration, quality, different coexistence. The Paipa Color Festival has been held since 2016. All attendees can participate in a fanfare atmosphere, electronic music, and love of colors. Okay. The festival always comes with the participation of outstanding exponents of electronic music in Colombia. Display the back sound and a set of lights, while the public throws in the mix of euphoria and without ceasing. Dogs of course. Okay. There are different environments for the recreation of the public. For example, integration zones, love zone, sports zone, and craft market. Okay. The inspiration for the relation of this was festival The Holi of India, a party that amidst the arrival of spring with those uncolored water that people thrown at each other in a magical, happy and fun moment, but above all, spirits. Its story was held on Saturday, April 28, 2006, at a home and shooting club, which began at 10 o'clock in the morning and ended at 9 o'clock at night. Finally, with graphic, two links. In thanks for your attention. Bye bye.